With your group meal expense open, click on the Attendees hyperlink in the top left corner of the Details tab. In the new window, click on the blue Add button. In the Attendee Type drop-down field, click Group 15 or greater. Then give your event a name and click on Create New Attendee Hyperlink on the right side of this window. Click on the blue Create Attendee button, and then you can close this window. Enter the number of attendees in the Attendee Count field. Click on the blue Save button in the bottom right corner of this window. Now your group of 15 or greater is saved in your attendee list. To check, click on the Attendee hyperlink again and open it up to see that you have your group attendee name and group 15 or greater type. Then you can close this window out by either clicking the X in the top right corner or the blue Save button in the bottom right corner. Click the blue Save Expense button to return to your expense report.